One of the best parts about my job is getting my hands on new tools, new technology, and getting to share it with fellow technicians. I got to see a preview of this at Apex last November, but finally, I've got one in my hands. This isn't just an upgraded scan tool. This is all new and has some great capabilities to help any tech on the job. Building on the award-winning Autel MaxiSYS MS Ultra, the Ultra S2 sets a new industry standard for efficiency and accuracy with upgraded hardware, advanced diagnostic features, and access to comprehensive repair data, delivering near OEM-level diagnostics. Let's take a look at some of the features that sets this scan tool apart from anything else on the market. The MaxiSYS Ultra S2 is a 13.7-inch touchscreen, Android-based tablet featuring a healthy 512 gigabytes of storage and a 6-in-1 vehicle communication and measurement device. The new 6-in-1 VCMI2 enhanced vehicle communication and measurement device offers advanced VCI J2534 pass-through programming, improved 4-channel oscilloscope, multimeter, waveform generator, CAN bus tester, and standalone remote expert device, all in a lighter and more compact unit. The Ultra S2 provides comprehensive coverage of 1996 and newer US, Asian, and European vehicles, full bi-directional testing, coding, and adaptation capabilities, and a comprehensive service menu of 48 common and frequently performed service and restore tasks. Additional features on this flagship Autel Advanced Diagnostic tablet include Topology 3.0, which allows for OE-style system analysis of multi-speed communication protocol networks, active module, and network analysis. With this tool, we can locate and directly ping ECUs to test signal quality and network integrity. New live data visualization strategies enables techs to display and interpret parameter data and tackle the increasingly complicated electrical and communication systems. An improved and integrated 4-channel oscilloscope that can be launched directly while performing live data analysis. Autel is among the aftermarket's leaders in security gateway access. The Ultra S2 grants security gateway modules access to equipped Stellantis, Nissan, Mercedes-Benz, and Volkswagen and Audi vehicles. Auto-auth registration is required for Stellantis, Nissan, and Mercedes-Benz. On-tablet purchase is required for Volkswagen and Audi. Another great tool found on the S2 is a multi-point digital visualization inspection application that guides the technician through a comprehensive inspection and documentation of the vehicle status for revenue generating opportunities. Pair this with the Autel TBE 200 Tire Tread Examiner and ITS 600 TPMS tool to produce detailed tire analysis as well. The Remote Expert Platform app allows every technician to finish their repair by providing direct access from their Ultra S2 to vetted and experienced programmers and diagnosticians with access to OE subscriptions and tools that can program a new or update an existing module, perform an OE pre or post scan, or execute a process only an OE tool can do. And introducing Max, hands-free virtual assistant that enables the technician to access tablet functions with simple audio commands. Max enables hands-free navigation of the Ultra S2 interface and provides verbal command functionality for various tasks and functions. Effortlessly initiate a system scan, access maintenance tasks, or execute active tests. The tablet comes with 1 year of free access to motor TRUSPEED repair data. The repair database is integrated into the tablet's MaxiSYS application and interface, so the technician is taken from system auto scan to fault listing to related repairs, instructions, component diagrams, and TSBs. Also included is 1 year of Autel software updates and a year of limited warranty coverage. Autel has many more products that would be a welcome addition to any shop. To find out more about the Ultra S2 and their other products, head over to autel.us and take a look around. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.